Hello guys, and welcome back to another lesson on HTML and CSS. So in this lesson we're going to learn about iframe. Okay, what is iframe? Now iframe is like when you're running a website, you want to display another website, you want to run another website in your current website. Okay, so that's iframe. So I'm gonna show you how to do it. Okay, let's go to VS Code. Sorry, we're in VS Code. Now we want to type in iframe. Frame. Now, after typing iframe, let's type in source src. Okay, press enter. Now, inside that, we're going to type in the website we want to display. But first, let me run this in my live server first. So you can see like there's nothing here right now, but we're going to type in we're going to type in the website that we want to display. So I'm going to display this other website that we created earlier in the lesson, index.html. Okay, let's close this. Let's close this now. Now let's run this. Now you can see like the other website that we made, you can see that its contents, you can view it. Now for me it's like very small right now, right? So if we want to make it bigger or even smaller, you can just go to iframe inside here. We're going to type in width and we're going to give our desired choice what we want to do. So I'm gonna give like 60%, and we're gonna change the height as well. Let's give height like 450 px. There you go. Now let's run this. Now you can see that we can view the website from here. Okay, we can view it from here. So that's how you do the iframe. Now if you wanna like add any symbols, for example, you can see the copyright symbol, right? In every content there's a copyright symbol. You can like let's give an example here. Let's create a paragraph first. Let's type in copyright. Now let's run this. Yeah, you can see here copyright. Now I want to place a copyright symbol right on top of the copyright, right beside it. So we're gonna use this. Just type in and type copy. You got the suggestion, click it, and now let's run it. You see there's a copyright symbol here right beside it. Now can you can apply other symbols as well. Like example, let's apply reg. Now let's run it. You can see the registration sign symbol. We can also give like type, let's say square. You can type in trademark. Trade. You can see like the trademark symbol and the square symbol. So that's how you do it. That's how you apply symbols. And I'll see you in the next lesson.